Oh, hello there. Welcome back to my kingdom. I'm so glad you've returned to seek more of the knowledge of the wonders of DBT coping skills. As you know, I am the DBT King, and I'm here to guide you on finding a life worth living. Today, let's discuss the first pillar of DBT, distress tolerance. Each of the 4 pillars of DBT serves its own unique role and purpose in helping us to cope with our everyday life stressors. DBT understands that stress comes from a variety of sources and affects all areas of our life. Unfortunately, we cannot get rid of our stress, but that does not mean that we can't learn how to manage it. Distress tolerance skills are all about finding a way to develop a higher tolerance threshold to stressors in our lives. They are designed to help the user find acceptance with the distress that they are experiencing, while also making their situation or environment more tolerable. Sometimes even just by surviving through the distress until they are able to reach their baseline again. Many of these skills are included amongst those that people would normally identify as traditional coping skills. And if you stick around long enough, we will discuss each and every one of these distress tolerance skills in more detail. But if there's one thing that I would have you remember from today's discussion, it is this: not all skills work for everyone, and not all skills even work for every situation. But it does not mean that you have failed to use DBT. It also does not mean that DBT or the skills have failed you. Find the skills that work for you, and if needed, adapt them to meet your needs. There's no one true way to cope. And until we meet again, be well, my friend.